Hello. So, I've been staying inside for too long lately, and I thought that I should just go out. So, we are going on a little adventure, not too extravagant, but we're making progress. I am on my iPhone. This is the cinematic mode, so I don't know how it looks. It looks kind of dreamy, but I just wanted to do like a little vlog. So we'll see where that goes. I don't know if it will be like a complete vlog. We'll see. So the agenda for today is to go to Starbucks or a coffee shop if I want to be. I don't know why I did that. We're going to Starbucks and we're gonna do some work. We're gonna study. We're gonna do all sorts of productive stuff because whenever I'm not at home, I get the most amount of things done. So we're gonna go there for a couple of hours and then we're gonna see if we can go either rollerblading or basketball. That's gonna be pretty fun. And then after that, I have dinner with some friends. I don't know if I'm gonna be recording any sorts of footage for this night, but I do wanna just get on YouTube and just talk. I don't know, ever since I did the become more comfortable in front of a camera challenge in May, I've been itching to want to just create content, and it's awesome because this is what I want to do. It kind of like rekindled the fire to content creation again. But that's what we have for today. Even though this vlog is probably gonna be a mess, I'm gonna get it out there. There have been videos where I wanted to upload, but I just never gotten around to uploading them. So there's just these random vlogs that are just sitting there and probably will never see the light of day in terms of being on YouTube. But that's why we're gonna make a change now. We're doing it. So it's one of those things where if you want to change something, you gotta change something. You can't achieve something you've never achieved before if you've been doing the same thing you have been for the longest time. So I'm trying to switch it up, even if it's just something minor, like going to the coffee shop when I don't feel like going, because this is sort of spontaneous. I wasn't planning on going to the coffee shop today. I wasn't planning on going out to rollerblade or play basketball. But here I am doing the things that I want to do. And it's fun. It's getting me excited, and it's in turn giving me content. So we'll see how that goes. On a random note, I feel like it's kind of funny how much stuff I bring along for a day. Not even a day, like it's almost like evening now. And I brought a work backpack which has my MacBook, my iPad, a little bit of filming gear. I'm mostly gonna be filming on my iPhone and my point and shoot camera, like a small little tripod. And that thing is heavy, like it's right in the passenger seat. It's heavy. And then I have a duffel bag that has my rollerblading attachments. My roller skating. There's a difference. I have shoes that I can attach roller skates to, and it's cool. It's called flaneurs. Maybe I'll show that. It's super cool. You can customize any shoe that you want, and they'll be able to put like these little brackets on the bottom of the shoe. The only qualifications, I believe, is it needs to be flat. So I have Air Force Ones and they're flat on the bottom, and they're super cool. I'll hopefully show you later on during the day. This is gonna be a day full of vlogs. I'm gonna be taking out the camera and just filming whatever, and we're gonna get used to it. I gotta stop talking about me vlogging so much. That's just how you know I haven't been doing this for too often, because I'm not used to the fact that I'm just carrying around a camera and just filming. I don't usually do that, even though I am known as the person with the camera, which is kind of ironic. Boo! So I just finished the session at Starbucks and it was actually very productive, believe it or not. Except towards the end, there was a random dude that came up to me. He was in an electric wheelchair. He started talking about all this random stuff. And then later on, he was like, let's play chess. He takes out a chessboard. And I'm like, low-key thinking about it, but I'm like, no, I don't really have the time at the moment, so I didn't. But the whole time I was working, and I was trying to be polite, but also at the same time I was trying to let him know that I'm working and I'm busy and I didn't come to Starbucks to just chill. Right? So yeah, that was that. I'm going to the park to roller skate. I keep saying rollerblade. Roller skate. Roller skate is the where the wheels are like in four, in like a rectangle. That's the only way I can describe it. And then the rollerblade is where they're in line. So that's the difference. Pretty sure you knew that, but yeah, tonight's gonna be pretty fun. This morning was actually pretty productive as well, I think. Not the morning, but like approaching the afternoon. That's why this vlog was started kind of late. To be honest, it was just spontaneous. I don't even know if I don't even know why I'm doing this. It's just because I want to. And I am able to do this, and that's why it's just the best for me, if that makes sense. I want to do vlogging when I want to and not when it becomes like a job or when I'm gaining a significant amount of income from it. Because then I would have to be thinking about things that would get me more views instead of me creating what I want to create, right? So that's just my hot take. Maybe I don't even know what the title of these videos or of this video is gonna be. We'll see. I don't know. There's so many ways, different ways to make a vlog. You can have like a specific sort of plan in mind. You could have it like completely scripted. You could have it partially scripted. You could have it not scripted at all, like this, to where I'm just taking you along the ride, sort of. I'm just literally talking in my car, and that's just the majority of the whole thing, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, there's just an infinite possibilities. Yeah, I think that's the right way. And there is no right or wrong way to vlog. You could vlog however you want, and no one can tell you that you did this wrong or whatever, because it's your vlog. If you're happy with it, then it doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. Boo! As I expected, I did not vlog the entire time I was out. I did do a little bit of roller skating, but it wasn't very much. But after that, I had dinner with friends. It was very fun. But I just wanted to talk more about why I'm doing this in the first place, because I still don't feel like uploading this. It doesn't feel complete, or it doesn't feel like anything of value or significance. So I mean, if anything, I gotta convince myself, take my own advice and upload it, because it is a day in my life that I would like to document. Even though it's one of the more boring ones, one of the more mundane ones, this is one of those days where it's gonna help me progress and help me grow in terms of being a content creator, because I'm just doing what I love to do. I am creating content. And it doesn't matter if it's not a masterpiece. It doesn't matter if it doesn't really have a story in mind at first. I think that's what I want the title to be. And then as time goes on, this sort of skill set will become better. Maybe I'll start planning a little bit more, have something in mind before I start shooting. But I don't know, like this is something that I like to do, and I don't know, I just want to put it out there, just share it, and if people resonate with this, then they can stick around and hang out. If not, there are plenty of other content creators to go to watch. So that's pretty much it. I have quite a ways to go before I get home, but it's gonna be a nice drive. I really do enjoy these nights where I just drive home very peacefully. Sometimes with the person in my rear view blinding me with their highlights, but yeah, that's it for today. I will get better at this. I do want to make more vlogs, maybe not necessarily just one day, but maybe like over the course of a week, and just include the parts that may seem exciting, or that I would like to include, that I would like to document. So yeah, thanks for listening.